Hey, I'm Frank from NewChurch. Are you feeling stressed, overwhelmed? Like life is just a bunch of never-ending demands and details with work and kids and housework? What about time for yourself? It's exhausting. But you're not alone. There's hope if you know where to look. Jesus invites everyone who's carrying all this heaviness to come to Him, and He'll give them rest. Rest. What would that be like? We're going to explore this over the next few weeks at NewChurch. We meet at 10 a.m. on Sunday mornings at the corner of Cinco Ranch and Gaston Road in Southwest Katy, inside Kilpatrick Elementary. Click on the link to find out more. Love to see you there.